Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a smoothie for breakfast. First, choose your liquid base. Options include dairy milk, almond milk, water, or even a splash of juice. Next, add about 1 to 2 cups of your favorite fresh or frozen fruits. Berries, bananas, and mango are excellent choices. Finally, incorporate a protein source like Greek yogurt, protein powder, or a spoonful of nut butter to keep you feeling full. To boost your smoothie's nutritional value, consider adding a handful of leafy greens such as spinach or kale. They blend in seamlessly. For healthy fats, a quarter of an avocado or a tablespoon of chia seeds can add creaminess and beneficial omega-3 fatty acids. If you prefer a sweeter taste, a small amount of honey, maple syrup, or a few dates can naturally enhance the flavor without refined sugars. Now, gather all your chosen ingredients and place them into a high-speed blender. Start with the liquid first, then add softer ingredients, followed by frozen items. Blend on high until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy. If your smoothie is too thick, gradually add more liquid until it reaches your desired consistency. For a thicker smoothie, add more frozen fruit or ice. Your delicious and nutritious breakfast smoothie is now ready to enjoy. For the best taste and texture, serve it immediately. If you have any leftovers, pour them into an airtight container and refrigerate for up to 24 hours. This makes for a quick grab-and-go option the next morning. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to make your life easier.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.